HIV, the virus responsible for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, is a retrovirus with a spherical shape, approximately 100 nanometers in diameter. It is enclosed by a lipoprotein envelope composed of a double lipid layer embedded with protein spikes, including the outer glycoprotein GP120, which is essential for cell attachment. The primary hosts of HIV are helper T lymphocytes and macrophages, although certain bacterial cells may also interact with the virus. The replication cycle of HIV begins with attachment, where the viral GP120 protein binds to the CD4 receptor on the host cell membrane. Once attached, the viral envelope fuses with the host cell membrane, enabling the virion to enter through endocytosis. Inside the cell, the viral particle sheds its protective coat, releasing single-stranded RNA into the cytoplasm. Following entry, reverse transcriptase converts the viral RNA into complementary DNA, cDNA, through a process called reverse transcription. This newly synthesized cDNA is then duplicated to form double-stranded DNA, which is transport AD into the host cell nucleus. With the help of the enzyme integrase, the viral DNA integrates into the host genome, forming a provirus that becomes a permanent part of the host's genetic material. Once integrated, the viral DNA is transcribed by the host cell's RNA polymerase, producing both viral mRNA and new genomic RNA. The viral mRNA is translated by host ribosomes into large precursor proteins, which are later cleaved by viral proteases to generate functional viral proteins. These components assemble to form in mature virions, which then undergo structural modifications to become fully mature and infectious. In the final stage, mature virions exit the host cell through a process called budding. As they leave, they take a portion of the host's membrane to form their envelope. This continuous cycle gradually depletes and weakens the host cell, ultimately leading to immune system dysfunction. Over time, the destruction of helper T cells impairs the body's ability to fight infections, leading to the development of AIDS.